This is part 2, the layers panel. This is the layers panel. Now I've already discussed about the background in the first part of the tutorial, so I'll probably leave a link in the description. You can check that out. Moving on. If I am to create a new layer, I'll just click this button and it creates a new layer, layer 1. Just so you can visually see the layer, I'm gonna paint something on the layer. So I'm gonna grab my brush tool, pick a color from the foreground, and then just paint on the canvas. So this is on layer 1. If you want to delete any layer, make sure that the layer is selected, then go down to this trash icon and click on it. You can alternatively hit delete on your keyboard. I'm gonna confirm this and click on yes. We'll undo that. I'm gonna create another layer and have something painted on it too. Now let's assume that you need to delete both the layers simultaneously. For that, I'm gonna select one of the layers by clicking on it, hold on to Shift on my keyboard, and then click the other layer. Then just click on the trash icon. We need to confirm this. And as always, I need to undo this. Now you can also group the layers if you think that your Photoshop document is getting too messy and out of hand. For that, you need to select the layers which you want to be grouped, of course by shift clicking, and then you click this group icon. Alternatively, you can click Ctrl+ G on your keyboard. The two layers are inside the group. You can see what's inside the group by clicking over here. If you want, you can also rename the group by double-clicking over here. Now if you think you don't need the group anymore, select the group, then click on the trash icon. A message will show which will ask you if you just want to delete the group or the group along with the contents inside. I just want to delete the group. So you can see that the layers inside the group are still intact. Like the group, I want to rename the layers. I will double click on the text and start typing. And mind you, you need to double click on the text and not this empty area of the layer, otherwise it won't work. Instead of deleting the layers, you can also hide the contents of the layers. For example, if you want to hide the content of this layer, ball 1, just click on the eyeball and it will be hidden. Click on the eyeball again to bring it back. Let's assume you want to hide all the other layers except this layer, ball 1. Now instead of going one by one on every layer, you can just press Alt and then click on the eyeball over here. Alt click again to bring everything back. The small images shown on the layers are called thumbnails. You can adjust the size of the thumbnails. For that, right click anywhere inside the layers panel. You can also have no thumbnails. So I'm gonna click on no thumbnails. You can have large thumbnails, small thumbnails, or medium thumbnails. Then you can either select clip thumbnails to document bounds, which is going to show the entire canvas with the actual position of the content. Or you can select clip thumbnails to layer bounds, which is going to show just the content. You can also tag the layers with colors if you want. For that, right click in this region for your desired layer, and by the way, this option is equivalent to the eyeballs over here, and the second option is equal to all clicking on them. So moving on, by default the layers are tagged with no color, but let's tag this layer with red. I'm gonna tag this layer with yellow. These two balls are on separate layers and are independent of each other. So if I grab my move tool and click and drag, they move separately. If you want them to move together, you have to shift select the two layers and then click on this icon. The two layers are now linked. So if I move one, the other moves too. And this is all I have for today. Make sure to check the other videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.